Hi everyone, I'm Alan from Shutterkits. Thanks for watching this video. Today, I'll show you how to assemble a smart shutter kit, our latest product compared to the Easy Kit we launched 3 years ago. This new kit features upgraded parts and an improved assembly process, making it easier to put together. Plus, the shutter panel is light. To assemble this kit, you just need two tools: a screwdriver with PH1 and PH2 drill bits, a knife. Now let's take a look at what we have on the table. We have 3 boxes here, 2 small boxes, each containing the louvers and the rails for one panel. Here we have one P1 and one P2, refers to panel 1 and panel 2. Both are for window 1. We have a long box here which holds the frames and the styles. 1F1 refers to frame box 1. If the window has 3 or more than 3 panels, we will separate the frames and styles into 2 boxes to reduce the weight of the box. Now let's start by opening panel 1 box. And the frame box. From the frame box, take out 2 styles. In the panel box, we have instruction menu, the plastic bags, and hardware bags. Take out the louvers and the rails from the panel box. From the frame box, we take P1L, P1R for the first panel. Look at the bottom of the styles. You will see label P1L and P1R. Lay P1L on the left side. This side face up. P1R on the right. Take a look at this rail. It has an upgraded rabbet in the middle, allowing the louvers to operate from both sides. To identify the top, bottom rails, check the marks on the side. T stands for the top rail. B stands for the bottom rail. And M stands for the middle rail, if your panel has a middle rail. Since the rabbet is centered, you don't need to worry about which side faces up. For this panel, we're also adding a middle rail. Next, we'll insert caps into the louvers. Let's take out the cap sets, cap A, cap B, and T. The smart kit uses hollow louvers which make the panel 30 to 40% lighter than the Easy Kit. Here, how the caps work. Cap A has a spring-loaded pin. Cap B has a notched end and a fixed pin. We'll insert cap A into one side of each louver. Now you'll find a louver marked with T. It needs special caps from the back T. One side, put cap B, the notched end. Flip over, insert cap C. Fixed pin without a notch. Now, flip the louvers over and insert cap B on the other side. Make sure all the notches faces the same direction.